Hello. Sharing and collaborating can be very beneficial. We commonly use email, telephone and meetings, and those are very suitable for one-on-one projects. But what if you're collaborating with more than two parties? Is that expensive? It can be, but not necessarily so, if you use free and widely used tools like Google and Twitter. Let me show you what I mean. This is my Maintenance Wiki Twitter account, and this is my Google Docs account. It comes with every Gmail account. It's free and it's very convenient for sharing and collaborating. I prepared a project document which gives answers to questions like a project objective, when, where, and who I would like to invite to companies, Maritime Tweets and Maintenance Wiki to work together with me. But how am I going to get in touch with these people? How am I going to get them on board? So I'm going to use Twitter for that. How am I going to get in touch with these companies? Creating a message. Click New Message, add an address, and add a message. Plus, I'm going to add a project code. This is a hashtag, hashtag Maritime Tweets 001. This is the account of CNECT. As you can see, they have received the message from Maintenance Wiki and they're going to reply with a tweet. Add the hashtag and project code and off you go. Back to Maintenance Wiki. So they're both in. What's next? Well, let's create a project folder. Go to Maritime Tweets, that's a folder I created for this project, and now I'm going to share this with the other participants. I can invite them by adding their email addresses and a personal message, and once I've done that, they have access to this folder and all the documents. Click share. And as you can see, now they're both capable of accessing this folder online. So now CNECT and Maritime Tweets can access this folder. I want to add additional documents to it. Let's add a project planning to it. I can simply do that by dragging and dropping it into the folder, and the document automatically is shared with CNECT and Maritime Tweets. So this is what the planning looks like. It's an Excel sheet, and it can be not only accessed, but it can also be modified by both collaborators. So let's see how that works. I will ask them to update the project progress report and send them a tweet and inviting them to modify the sheet. Okay, I'm logged in as CNECT again. As you can see, the new planning document has been added to my folder. I have the direct access to it, and I can modify it. So as a collaborator, I can update the status, then I save my changes, and that's it. Everything will be available to the other collaborators too. Let me prove that to you by going back to Maintenance Wiki. Here's the document. I open it, and yes, the color has changed from red to green, so the changes have been passed on. So final example, I will use Twitter to announce a delay. Here, send a tweet, and all the collaborators, when they know the project code, they can immediately see what's happening. So that is in a nutshell how you can use free tools like Google and Twitter to share and collaborate and improve your business.